Hey you guys, Namaste. Welcome to CMD Alpha. In this video, I explained the internship. That internship offered by a world's one of the best company, that is Cognizant. So we all know Cognizant is one of the IT company. It's providing software jobs and other related jobs to acquiring that company. So present now academic year 2024-2025 purpose, they are providing internship. So under the name of Fusion Cognizant Global Internship Program. Okay, and before entering about this internship details, candidates who are watching first time for this channel, please subscribe this channel. If you satisfy this video information, please don't forget to click on the like button. It is very important to our channel growth. So once again, I will ask you, please click the like button. So every viewer, please support me this channel. This is a very small YouTube educational channel. We all know educational channel growth is very rare, but education information is very important to students career life. So please support this channel, and like is very important. So at least please share this video minimum 2 persons. Okay, and one of our channel subscribers selected to the scholarship because of watching my videos and tested in comment section. I'm very happy. In future, any subscriber or student selected scholarships or internships or free courses because of watching my videos that students get benefit, please test in comment section. I will also upload in our YouTube community. Okay, don't forget. Now comes to these internship details. This internship offered for global wide students who are present studying pursuing degree courses that students are eligible, and selected candidates will play a role on these internship opportunities could align with the following areas. So you need to, after selection, you need to select and opportunities will be provided like this one. I will explain one by one. So application service internships, automation internships, business process service related internship, consulting related internships, data and AI technology internship. It is very important, so students don't miss this internship. And enterprises platforms internship, healthcare internship, HR like human resources internship. So students who are interested to play HR roles, that students select and are interested to apply human resources and internet of things and life sciences, marketing, software engineering. We all know software engineering is present domain. It's very huge for this job role. So don't miss. For students who are searching for software engineering, please try to apply for the software engineering internship. And final one, talent architecture. So these internships, after you selected, you need to play this role in any one of the job role. Okay, internship job role. Okay, internship, during this internship they are not only explained and also further information, beautiful informations, like they are providing mentorship and support to ensure your access on the projects. So they will also guided you on the projects, especially that guided personalities are experienced a lot of years, and that persons also you can give guidelines to the successfully end of this project. And also Fusion delivers constant learning opportunities such as lunch and learns, industry spotlight and leadership engagement. So selected candidates get other benefits like lunch and learns, industry spotlights and leadership engagement. They are provide these type of benefits. And existing social activities are planned throughout the internship to provide opportunities to network with the Cognizant professionals and others in your intern cohort. Okay, after, and also they are provided connections to that employees, Cognizant employees, professional, they are also provided. So after internship completed, so these internships are very these connections are very helpful to get a referral. So these type of benefits also the Cognizant provided in the during the internship. And accounts to students educational details and eligible details. Students enrolled in bachelor degree program and now presenting pursuing a degree in STEM courses. We all know STEM is a science, technology, engineering and medicine, and here mentioned computer science, information system, data science, software engineering and etc. any STEM related courses. And also businesses, communication, HR resources, that means human resources, and marketing, advertising, public relations are equivalent degree programs. These type of students who are pursuing in a degree, that students are eligible for this internship. Candidates are eligible for internship 6 to 12 months out from the final graduation gate. Okay, after final graduation date, that students need to give time 6 to 12 months for this internship in case you selected. Okay, ability to work creativity and analytical and problem solving environment. So while you are working, Cognizant or any company, at that time you need to face and ability to work creativity and analytical and solve that issue. Okay, this is the analytical other skills. Okay, other helpful skills to get a job. And excel written and verbal communication, also student need this qualification. Proven capabilities in teamwork and leadership also maintain students. A strong interest in technology and digital modernization. We all know present world is running to technology, so every student need to this type of interest in technology and digital modernization. So next, self-motivated, strong work ethic with a dedication to client service excellence. Okay, self-motivated also you need to maintain. Ability to work as a part of a cross-cultural team, including flexibility to support multiple time zones when necessary. After you selected this internship, they are provided time zones like posting. You need to post present you are working in Mumbai, so then they are provided to another post to other state like Chennai. So you need to flexibility for to adaptation. That's a type of culture team. Okay, and proven Microsoft Office skills like including Excel skill. You need to benefit for this one. What type, how to what to use this type of skill is helpful to selection. And final one is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is useful for presentation. So students who made a better and a good performance PowerPoint, that students get a easy internship. Okay, Cognizant internship. And location. So location based on India wide, India. Location based on all over world. 35,000 Cognizant companies is there. So in that India there are almost I think I don't know, but almost I suppose we take almost 50, not 50, 100. So in that 100 they are providing any one of the location near to your city. So you need to consult that location. They will guide you how to the work and other related courses. And start date, after you selected this internship, you need to start your internship starting in June 2025. So in June 2025, student to start their internship. Hourly rate and other compensation. This is compensation purpose. They are providing money. That is the hourly rate for this position is $25 per hour. Per hour they are providing $25. Okay, depending upon your course selection and other qualification, they are given $25 per hour. Okay, and next one is work authorization. So this is the work authorization. Due to the nature of the position, Cognizant cannot provide sponsorship for the US work authorization. And why choose us? So you can also read these things. The Cognizant community. Cognizant is a global community with more than 350,000. I have told 35,000, but it is actually 350,000 associates around the world. We don't just dream of a better way, we make it happen. Okay, yes, it's the right one. And other important details, and every students like color, sex, religion, creed, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, disability, genetic information, pregnancy, veteran status, or any other protected characteristics as outlined by federal, state or local laws. Okay, so they are not following particular they are not harassing black and white, and they are not harassing other countries. So this type of rules not applicable for this internship. Okay, and if you have disability that requires a reasonable accommodation to engage student or person any disability, that students provide facilities for that location. Okay, and disclaimer. So compensation information is accurate as of the date of the position. Cognizant reserve the right to modify information at any time. So in case student or a person did any wrong mistakes, at that time Cognizant have right to review your application. Okay, application may be required to attend interviews by video conference. So students after selected, they are provide internships. So you also select like a person-to-person internship or video conference internship. Any one of the you can choose while applying the attend the interviews. Okay. In addition, candidates may be required to present their current state or government issued ID during each year. So student need to every time upload your student government ID. Okay, and this is all about the Cognizant internship. So students who are interested to apply for this internship, so please apply very fastly. And one more thing, so many students are just subscribed and they didn't enable the notification. So students, please subscribe and enable your notifications button. Okay,